In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're compiling a report, thesis, or any extensive document, a table of contents not only adds a professional touch, but also makes navigation through the document easier for your readers. So, let's dive into the steps to achieve this. The journey begins at the very heart of your computer, the Windows Start menu. Reach out to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the iconic Windows symbol. Give it a click to open up a world of applications at your fingertips. This is where magic begins as you embark on the creation of an organized professional document. Now it's time to summon Microsoft Word from the vast sea of applications lying within your computer. Start by typing Word into the search bar that appears. As you type, a list of suggestions will begin to populate, but you're looking for one thing specifically: Microsoft Word. The moment it appears, click on it with enthusiasm, knowing you're a few steps away from mastering a new skill. Upon the grand opening of Microsoft Word, you're greeted with a plethora of choices. But for now, our path lies in the creation of something new or picking up where we left off from a recent document. If you're starting fresh, click on Blank Document. Alternatively, if you're continuing work on an already initiated masterpiece, select it from the list of recent documents. Your canvas for creativity is now set. Next, let's navigate to the References tab located at the top of the screen. This tab is a haven for all things related to citations, bibliographies, and of course our goal for today, the table of contents. You can think of this tab as your assistant in automating tasks that would otherwise take up chunks of your valuable time. Within the References tab, you'll notice several options to choose from. For our current mission, direct your attention to the Table of Contents button. A click on this button unveils different styles and formats for your table of contents, showcasing the flexibility Word offers to match the vibe of your document. Here, Microsoft Word whispers to you the hidden secrets of automation and professionalism, promising to take care of the heavy lifting while you focus on what matters most: your content. Choosing a style automatically generates a table of contents based on the headings in your document. If you haven't already used heading styles throughout your document, don't worry. You can go back and apply these styles to section titles, and Word will smartly update the table to reflect your adjustments. This dynamic interaction between you and Word ensures that no matter how many changes you make, your document remains polished and precise. Remember, creating a table of contents isn't just about following a series of steps. It's about enhancing the readability and professionalism of your document. It's a bridge between your thoughts and your readers, guiding them through your ideas with ease and clarity. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Regularly update your table of contents. As your document grows and evolves, so should your table, ensuring it accurately represents the structure of your content. Explore the custom table of contents options. For those who wish to dive deeper, Microsoft Word offers the ability to fully customize your table of contents. This is particularly useful for documents requiring a bit more specificity in their tables. Don't forget to utilize heading styles throughout your document. These are the pillars upon which your table of contents stands. Consistent use of heading styles will enhance both the appearance and functionality of your table of contents. With these insights and steps, you're now equipped to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word that not only serves its primary function, but also elevates the overall quality of your document. Whether for academic, professional, or personal projects, this skill will serve you well, making your documents both easier to navigate and more visually appealing. As we wrap up today's tutorial, I encourage you to explore, experiment, and embrace the tools Microsoft Word offers. The journey from a blank page to a professionally structured document might seem daunting at first, but with each click and each learned feature, you move closer to mastering this versatile application. Thank you for joining me in today's video on how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, remember the key to a great document lies not only in what you write, but also in how you present it. Happy writing, and until next time, keep exploring the endless possibilities within Word.